Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no water was coming out, and that was basically because this water pump completely failed. And when we replaced the water pump, we found out that the solenoid above the whole assembly pretty much didn't open completely, and it was just making this loud buzzing noise, and that means that this solenoid above is not working the way it's supposed to. It's not opening all the way, so that means no water, or just a little bit of water will come out through here. So since we replaced that, as well as the water pump, now the machine is working perfectly fine. So let's do a shot of espresso. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly, otherwise it's just gonna be way too fine for this machine. Which, as you can see, it is a little bit way too fine. We have this grind set up for one of those machines that we have in the back, and that machine is a dual boiler rotary pump, so it's a huge improvement compared to a vibratory pump. So for this type of machine, the grind is way too fine for it. But as you can see, it's trying to keep up a little bit in there. You can see a little bit of the crema coming out, but let's just stop it now. We really don't want to push it too much. And as you can see, the grind is way too as well as you can pretty much see, the grind is way too fine over here, but water comes out over here perfectly fine. And as well as the hot water, as soon as it's gonna finish it, and the steamer, which it will take a little bit since it needs to build some pressure. Now we started building some pressure. You can pretty much see all the fluid coming out of here. So it's really strong and working perfectly. Okay, thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.